wanted to get it right. Trying to find some balance in.
Hi guys, thanks for stopping by. My name is Stephanie, and today we will be doing an unboxing of Kosei Thread, the Revolve jewelry. So if this is your first time here, I've done 2 unboxings of Kosei. You can go check them out. One of them was an unboxing of 20-piece Revolve jewelry. So long story short, I ordered 2 different orders to make the bulk order of 100. So one of the orders got shipped out immediately, and then the rest of them, my 80-piece, did not. It took a little minute. I kind of felt like it kind of fell through the cracks. I had to reach out multiple times, but it did get to me. So I'm going to show you the pieces that are not duplicates, that are different from the first video I showed. So if you want to see everything that I got, the other video, it's not very long. So in the first box I did get 20 items, but 19 were not duplicates. So on this box of 80, I'm gonna show you what are not duplicates from the first box or from each other here. Okay, so here we go. They do come nicely wrapped. I know last time I already had them unwrapped so that I could go through this quicker. I love that Kosei does this. So first off, we have some earrings, and these are really, really cute. It has like little tassels and this little, like, I don't know, wooden feature with the little gold. These are super cute. They are like about 3-4 inches. Super cute. So next I have this like necklace. This, I'm assuming you just wrap it around your neck a couple of times, and then it has some like danglies. You can dangle it on the side. It's just tight. This piece is very similar to one that I got in the first box, but that first box was light brown. This one is pink with the gold, and it has gold detail throughout. It is cute. It is different, but it is similar, a similar piece. So these earrings are similar to ones that I had in the last video, but they are a little different because the other piece was, I think, had 3 balls. These are shorter, and they are peach. The other ones were white. So here's another piece that was just like the pink one. It is the same concept. It has a long little like leather strips that you can wrap around your neck, or however you want to tie it, I guess. The other one, like I said, the first box was 10. I just got a pink one, and now I got a black one. So these Nyx earrings are very similar to some that I already got. The only difference is this is white, and the last ones I got from the last box were pink. So cute though. So next I got this choker that has like this chain and layered look. It's so cute. And then it has the like dangly pieces on the side. So that's cute. It's different. So this necklace is a choker, and it just has some like gold accents throughout. I got another choker. This one is like a tan with a leather and then like the braided look and a chain look. So it is cute. I got another choker. This one is like velvet, and it has like gold stars. I got another choker. This one is tan. It has like these gold rings throughout, and like this tan color on both sides, but like the middle would be gold. I don't know. I'm not really into chokers, but I may just keep some of these. So I got another choker. This one is like thicker. And it does have like gold studs, and then in the middle it has like a little rhinestone. So that's kind of cute. It's kind of like looks small. Like, who has a neck this small? I have these cute earrings. So these are cute and they're different, but here's my thought. They're both gonna face the same direction. So like, shouldn't it have been like this? Or am I just wrong, guys? I don't know. I wear studs. I need fashion tips. Well, I have these. This like unhooked, but I think I could just put it together. So these are cute. They are like, you have the little bead look, and then you have two rings here. This like brown and black color, and this is gold, but it's coming across like maybe silver. I don't know. The ring, my ring light's like blasting it. I also have these that have like this. What the heck is this? Like, this is like wood, and this is like basket material. What would that be considered? Like it's weaved, but it feels like woodish. I don't know. It just reminds me of like a basket. And then you have the gold. Next I got this ring. Can you see that? That is so cute. How do I know what size this is? Like, this is super cute. I may just keep it for myself. I like wearing ring. Actually, I don't wear anything, but I used to. I used to like wear all this jewelry and stuff. Anyways, that's super cute. This is the only ring I got in the whole piece, and I really wish I got more. So next I got this bracelet that looks kind of like a fake gold. It just looks like super gold. Not like a... So it's just a different color. Like, this to me looks like your typical gold. And this just looks like dark. A dark gold. Almost like fake gold. Like kids' fake jewelry. But it is cute. It does, like, you can tell, like, it's kind of heavy. It's a cute little bracelet. I also got another bracelet. This is the same color of gold, but these have little crosses. I was wondering when I was going to get some crosses, because in the last box I got a lot of stuff that was crosses. So this is just a little gold bracelet. So next I got this choker that has like the leather stud look, and then it has like this detail, and then the chains. So, okay, so next I got this, which I'm assuming is like a little choker necklace, which has like red little like beads, and then the rhinestone, and then like the little tassel. This is cute, and it's different because all my other chokers are like leather or like, you know, strip. This one is an actual little chain. So this was kind of cute and kind of different. Okay, and the last piece that I have that is different is this like cool, gives me like a gothic-y vibe. It's like this heavy pewter colored chain with little baby chains down here, and then like a strip of rhinestones, and then this gold like accent down here. I mean, I kind of don't know if I love the gold. I think if it would have been like, it would have been, I would have liked it a little better if it was like all just the same color. But it is cool, and it is cute, and it is different. So that was all the jewelry that was different from the last box. So out of the 80 that I got in this new box, only 20 pieces were not duplicates. And in the last box I had 19. So out of 100, 39 pieces were different and not duplicates. So here are my pros and cons about the box. The Kosei Thread Revolve jewelry, which is all Etika, I'm assuming that's how you say it, jewelry. So the cons are that there was a lot of duplicates, which is fine. It's not anything horrible. But what I don't love is that if I got duplicates, then a lot of other people that bought these boxes got the same pieces that I got. And I already know this because I saw some stories go up about their unboxings, and literally them showing like the box, I already saw pieces that I had in my box of 20. So I just feel that we're going to overwhelm our platforms, our selling platforms, with the same stuff. And then it's going to just be like competition between who has a cheaper price amongst each other. So the good thing about like when you get used items, you're probably not getting a bunch of the same inventory. So everybody's box is a little different. But when it comes to this new with tags, and they're kind of all coming from the same place, we're going to run into the problem of having the same things as other sellers. But the good thing about it is that I did love the jewelry. It does seem like great quality. It does seem like something that I think will get interest from buyers. I think that I need to do a better job of taking pictures of jewelry because I need like a mannequin, I feel. So I need to buy something to take pictures or to, make my listings look better. So I don't really list jewelry, so that's something that I haven't invested in, and I think I need to in order to make this product look great. But I do like the box. Um, I don't know if I would want to buy it again, but that was my box. You guys let me know in the comments what you think, if it's worth it. I did get these pieces for with a discount, and the rate, I think they came out to $4.25 for me. So I'm hoping to make at least $5 off of this. Let me know in the comments below what boxes you got, if you love them or if you hate them. Because right now, the first box I did not love at all. Um, this box was a little better. I have another box coming soon, so that's probably going to be my ultimate tiebreaker. And then we'll decide what we think about Kosei Threads. Y'all have a great day. Y'all stay safe out there, and we'll see you next time.
I really wanted to get it right, trying to find some balance.